is starting. Yeah, recording has started. So basically what I want to show you guys is how to convert clone websites and then use it as UIs. So I've shared the link with you guys. You have this link. This link basically helps you see the URL. It helps you import websites to Figma. Basically, is to design import website to Figma. The link is up here. URL. Hit on OK, and it opens. And when it opens, it comes to this point, right? When you're at this point, you can see open. You click on open, and then you see file. On that file, you see Figma file here. You can see Figma file here. Yeah. Let me use my marker so that you all don't forget. Yeah. So you can see this. You can see this, everyone. Right. Yes. Can you see my screen? Open.
Yes.
Right. So you click on open, and once you click on open, then you see file. This file, this is it. Sorry, let me open it again. File. You can see file here. Yeah. Can everyone see it? Yeah.
Yes.
Click on file, and this opens. All right, now, and when you come here, you now need to run. Okay, so you want to click on run. Okay. Run is what we're clicking on now. Click on run. Yeah. And once you click on run, it comes up with this. Now you want to import a URL that you want to copy the UI, right? All you just need to do is come here. You look for the UI of the website you like to take. So let's assume the UI you want to take is, let me say, Accenture.com. Yeah. Let's assume that's the UI you want to take. You want to take this UI. You come here, and then you click on this URL. Come here, and then under this URL here, import. You paste it. Now, after pasting it, then you now have to click on import. This is what you're clicking on. You're clicking on import.
So, Mr. DJ,
yes,
if you want to, I think each page of that website is what you have to copy the URL and
yes, for whatever you want here, the page you want here.
Okay.
So you click on this, and then you come here, and then click on import, and then you start to import the information you need. As it keeps importing it, it will give you some option of something. Just a minute, please. Yeah, so you can switch on this. This is for the pro version, which means you need to pay. So you can just click on this. Yeah. And you click on go, and then let it complete the whole process. Right.
I have a question, please.
Yes, please. Question.
So can you copy links from, because from what Ade said, can you copy links from different pages from other websites and put in here and edit?
Correct. Yes. So you just continue to have as many as possible. So you have for different pages. So now we already have everything done. This is it. It's here. This is the Accenture web. So if you like this design, you just work with this. So you can then decide to tweak this to look like what you want. Okay. So let's assume this is what you want. You want to build yours to look better. So you just come here, and whatever you want, you click. Yeah. And then let's say you drag this here. Yeah. And then there's something missing somewhere. Let's see, nothing. Yeah. And then you have this here. You want to change what to do to something else. Maybe you want to change it to boom. Just keep clicking. And once you keep clicking, you can just click on home, change it to home. Here, you want to click this and change it to about us. Change it about us, right? So this is a faster way of you getting and then you want to have services, and then here you want to have contractors. Yeah.
Another
Yeah.
question, please.
Yes, please.
So aside from the features that are already on this particular page, can you add other features to it?
Yes, please. You can. That's what Figma will help you. The Figma has all those features. Be able to add anything. I'll show you some. So I've changed all it to home, about us, services, contact us, and this. Yeah. I want to move it closer. So just keep clicking until you get to the point of what you want to move, and then you do it. You do what you want. Yep.
Is there any way to design logo on this particular?
Logo design is a different routine that you need to work on here. So let's assume you want to take this out. So you don't want Accenture here. Yeah, you can delete. You don't want this here, you can delete, and then you can import your own logo in here, and then you can change everything. Yeah. Okay. So basically,
So what change it to different views, mobile, tab, and
yeah, same thing is going to happen. So that means that, or you're going to have a mobile view of this, and then do the same thing for mobile view and bring them in there. So for example, for mobile view, you want to come here and look at the Accenture you've done before. You want to inspect, make it into this is the mobile view, right? Right. And
okay.
most websites have, I think there's something like /mobile or something, I've forgotten. Yeah, so this is no. There's a way it gives you a mobile representation. I've forgotten. So if you check the URL from a smartphone, I think the URL from a smartphone always have the mobile tags to it. You copy it and then you just bring it in and do the same thing, the same routine that we just did right now. And since this is your Figma page, it still carries all your Figma accounts. Everything is still yours, and then you're able to do everything on it. Yep.
And if you want to link one page to another,
Link in what sense?
like wireframing.
How? I don't understand.
Like you want to do the UX. This is UI. Like you want to do the UX of it.
Basically, you want to show the next screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So all you just need to do is come here, right? This is what we were on, right? So maybe you want to get the page for who we are, right? And page of who we are is what you want to get this page, right? Is the next thing you want. Or you just need to copy this. Same thing, same process, nothing.
Yeah,
different.
I know. But when after you have designed all those pages, and you want to make it like responsive,
prototype.
Like
where
a prototype.
Yeah, this is it. This is the prototype here. Did it here. You click on prototype, and then you show it what you want it to select and where it should go. So create a connection. This is the connection. See, create a connection. So this shows you the connection and what you should play. So you connect all of those things. Once you click on this, which page will show. So once you connect it from about us, it should open which other side. So you just put in everything, but it's some advanced view. But basically, the most important thing is at least you know how to represent your idea to the developers. They can see that this is what we are trying to look out for. Do you understand?
Okay, sorry, one other question, please. So these links that you have copied and put here, when you finish doing your own design, is it still going to carry that same link, or the link is going to change?
Which link do you mean? Sorry, explain.
So you copied link from this Accenture, what's the name? Copy the link and put it here, and it's from that link that you are making your changes. I don't know if my question makes any sense, but just want to ask. You are making the changes, and when you are done, when you are done, it becomes your own, correct?
It's
after you edit.
Yes, it's a Figma.
So does that link
Yeah.
Does that link change? It automatically changes.
So let me get it. Natalie.com. We picked Natalie.com and imported the picture view of Natalie.com into Figma.
Yes.
Of Natalie.com completely. This is now Figma.
Mm-hmm.
So basically what we took is of Natalie.com landing page and we brought it to Figma. So we have now customized it. This no longer exists to Natalie.com any longer. This is now Figma. Do you understand?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is Figma. This is no longer Natalie.com. There's a disconnect completely now.
Completely. So there's no relationship at all. No one is going to know that you picked this up from somewhere else and just did some edits.
Although it will, you can see at the top here, you can see it's showing here, right? But because I'm on the free version, but still I can decide to just change it and call this Natalie.com. That's all. Do you understand?
So now it's changed completely.
Yeah, you can edit everything. See, Natalie, don't get it wrong. Everything here can be edited. This global, for example, I can decide if this global thing, just keep clicking until you get into global. So I can call this instead of global recognition. You can call it
worldwide.
Yeah. Yeah. You understand? I can change everything here. The picture. I want to change this picture. Click on it. Come to
you want to change the color
or color, whatever it is. Anything I want, I can change it. In short, even if I want to change this background, just click on this. Once click on this background, yeah, there's a place here where it shows the color. You can see it here. Click on this. I can come and I want to change it to maybe some other purple. Bam, it's changed. Right. Bam, change. Can change whatever I like. Yeah. And it has become this. Do you understand? So who would say you got this from Accenture when you can just change everything, even the picture, the words, everything, you can change it. So it just gives you the layout of what you want. Okay.
Like getting what's it called from Envanto. So this is similar.
Kind of, yeah. So I'm taking this back up.
So definitely the paid version will have more features that you can play around with.
Yeah. So this is Figma 101. Okay, let's go back to our work, what we came here to do. I don't want to be distracted. Let me stop recording.
Yes, please.